Namaste everyone, here I am going to explain about coordinate geometry. Introduction to coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? It is the study of geometry using coordinate points. René Descartes is regarded as the father of coordinate geometry. So, this geometry is also called Cartesian geometry, as René Descartes. From this name, Cartesian geometry is derived. This geometry is also known as analytic geometry. Here, x-axis, this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. Both axes are mutually perpendicular. They are intersecting at O. This point is called origin. Its coordinate is 0, 0. Right side from 0 on x-axis, this is called positive x-axis, positive direction. And this is called negative x-axis. This is also known as x dash is also known as abscissa. And y-axis is known as ordinate. Ordinate or y-axis. Above O, this is positive y-axis, and below O, this is negative y-axis. This plane is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called as quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In this quadrant, first quadrant, x-axis is also positive, y-axis is also positive. In second quadrant, x-axis is negative. This is perpendicular, whereas y-axis is positive. In third quadrant, x-axis is negative as well as y-axis is also negative. In this part, both axes are negative. In this part, in fourth quadrant, x-axis is positive, whereas y-axis is negative. In this plane, any point can be represented by an ordered pair. Its first element is called x-coordinate and second element is called y-coordinate. With the help of coordinates, we can find position of any point in this plane. This plane is also known as Cartesian plane. This plane is known as Cartesian plane. Suppose P is a point like this whose x coordinate is 2. this point B, P, its x coordinate. It means distance alongside x axis or perpendicular distance from y axis is called its x coordinate, that is 2. First element is called its x coordinate, and second, distance along y axis or perpendicular distance from x axis. This is called y coordinate. This is 1. This is position. This point is position of point P in this Cartesian plane. This point, suppose this point, first element will be x coordinate. This is -3, and distance along x axis. Its distance along x axis is -3, and distance of this point Q along y axis is 2. So the coordinate of this point Q is -3, distance along x axis, that is -3, and y, distance along y axis, that is +2. In same way, suppose this is R point, its coordinate, its distance along x axis from origin, that is -5. Or perpendicular distance from x axis. Its perpendicular distance from x axis that is 4, and this is in a negative direction, it will be -4. Its position is along x axis, that is -5, and along y axis, that is -4. Perpendicular distance from x axis, that is -4, and perpendicular distance from y axis, that is -5. O2, this point, that is -5. This is first coordinate, first element. This is x coordinate. This is second element, and this is called y coordinate, distance along y axis or perpendicular distance from x axis. This is called y coordinate, and this is an ordered pair. With help of an ordered pair, we can represent any point in a plane. With the help of ordered pairs, we can find distance between 2 points with help of distance formula. We can find area of triangle drawn in this Cartesian plane. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.